All right, guys, it's been a long time coming, but it is time to get in the zone at last. Guys, today's product spotlight, we're gonna be going over the long-awaited Core Zone. So Core Zone has been teased for a while, and I don't know if it has to do with the fact that the guys were down here from Core for the 2-year party and let us try some of it ourselves ahead of time. I guess that really built the excitement for it because it is one-of-a-kind nootropic, and the fact that it is a powdered formula, meaning that you can sip on it throughout the day as maybe a coffee replacement, but also the ingredient profile is pretty stacked. So let's do what we do. We're getting a full spectrum of vitamins B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 12. Now there's a lot to be said about the B vitamins as they can help with the absorption and the breakdown of energy within nutrients that you're consuming from your diet. So it can play a big role in not only helping you break down food energy better, but also the ingredients in this product can possibly have a better effect. From the get-go, we're getting a gram of acetyl-L-carnitine. Acetyl-L-carnitine does have a role in activating the mitochondria of the fat cells, so you often see it in non-stem fat burners. But acetyl-L-carnitine does have some data indicating that it can improve memory formation and cognition. We're also getting a gram of L-tyrosine. L-tyrosine is an excitatory amino acid that does play a role in memory and focus as well. So a very interesting one there. We're getting a gram of taurine, which taurine does have, I believe, a few studies on memory formation, but it also plays a role in nerve conduction and adequately allowing for proper nerve conduction. We're getting 500 milligrams of citicoline, guys, which is basically a combination of choline and a molecule called cytidine, which cytidine converts into the body as uridine monophosphate, or uridine in general. Not only does choline play a big role in memory and focus and attention span, but also uridine monophosphate has a lot of good information on it regarding testing score improving, cognition score improving. So it's a really cool compound. We're getting mucinopurines, guys, at 50% for 500 milligrams, which produces L-DOPA, which can increase dopamine levels in the brain, thus meaning a overall more positive sense of well-being. We're also getting Bacopa moneri at 50% bacopicides, and we're getting 300 milligrams of that. Based on data on Bacopa, that does show a improvement in memory formation and also possibly a reduction in anxiety after supplementation. We're getting 150 milligrams of none other than caffeine anhydrous, which is probably why I'm speaking so fast right now. I've been sipping on the Arnold Palmer flavor of this amazing nootropic, and I'm feeling quite racy. But 150 milligrams, not that bad. We're getting 100 milligrams of neurofactor, which neurofactor comes from coffee arabica. It is a specific portion of the whole coffee fruit, and there is some preliminary studies showing that it can improve, I believe, attention span as well as memory formation, just like all these other ingredients, and also reaction time. I think there's some data on it for reaction time. We're also getting huperzine A at 20 milligrams, or 1%, because it's the actual plant extract, Huperzia serrata. Guys, huperzine has been around for quite a while for memory improvement and cognition. It's one of those things that you often see in lower doses like this, but it's always good to have in a nootropic such as a product like Zone. And then we're getting pregnenolone, which is the Core Nutritionals kind of staple these days. They are throwing in pregnenolone into a lot of their products. Pregnenolone is a hormonal ingredient. Not a whole lot of data on it for athletic performance or memory, but we do know that at higher doses than just the 10 milligrams, I believe the hope is to consume multiple core products that contain it to reach that threshold and get an efficacious dose of the hormonal ingredient pregnenolone. Guys, overall, Zone is something that has been replacing my coffee in the morning because I do believe that the ingredients have better set effect on cognition, ability to focus, getting my day started. So if you're looking for a very mild pre-workout or you're looking for something to improve your focus and attention span throughout the day, check out Core Zone. It is now available at TNS and, well, just about everywhere. Thanks, guys.